Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is СentrαI and today I'm inviting you to join me for this walk. We're gonna be walking in Central Asia, the city called Tashkent, and we just crossed the borderline of the city. So we're now outside of the city and I'm here for the first time with a group of tourists. We're kind of exploring this interesting area. Here is the car. It's actually a Soviet car from Soviet era. Let me know in the comments if you know the name of this car. Looks cute. This area feels like a village. And look at this. This lady is selling bread, local bread, round-shaped bread. And they produce it here. Oh, here is another lady. And I see more and more down the street, so there are a lot of such bread. Let me show you. It's rounded, it's fresh. It's springtime, finally spring, it's warm. Everything turns green, a lot of greenery. Look at this, another stand with a lady selling and another one. I think this street is well known by their round-shaped bread, so they sell it on every corner. And how to choose where to buy. Let me see, are there differences between them? They look kind of similar but different in how thin they are and different patterns on them. A lot of Pepsi here, a lot of shops here sell just have signs from Pepsi. I don't know why. And here is the bakery where they produce such bread. And look, it's with a spiral form. And look at this, it's kind of complicated form. Let me know what this shape reminding you and what does this shape represent to locals. What do you think, your opinion? I should have counted how many stands they have with such bread. Is it 7th already or 8th? Oh, let's actually go inside such bakery and see how they produce it. Look. They take this dough, put it inside. Yeah, let's have a look. Wow, it's so hot in there. And it's being cooked inside. Such unique technique. It's like pizza. Yeah, look at this. Have you ever saw something like this? Have you ever seen this? They measure it to make it equal. And here is the result. Guys, it's such a good smell. It's like freshly made bread. Wow. Let's run back to our group. They already walked away, and here they sell oil. Is it oil? And eggs. Wow. Right on the side of the road. They sell everything. And we are trying quickly catch our group. Wow, such a good smell, like a perfume. Amazing. Wow, such a good purple flower. I'm already far behind. Oh, it's alright, they're waiting for us. Here are different shops, markets. Look how ladies dressing. This country is mostly Muslim, but they have Soviet heritage. So it used to be part of Soviet Union, and they were spoken, most of people were spoken Russian. So there are still signs in Russian language. And here it is. This looks like a village. People riding bikes, nice atmosphere, flowers. It's like a village. Feels like a village. And such a nice weather today. Wow. Is it an ancient ark? Looks like we're somewhere in Egypt. Some Arabic place. And here it is, more this round shaped bread, but it's divided on sectors. Looks like what? Looks like, let me know in the comments, what does this bread remind you? What does it represent? For me, it looks like a sun. It's orange, it's round, and it makes you happy when you eat such fresh bread. And here again, eggs and oil. Wow, bellissimo pizza. Is it Italian? So they have, in such place, they have Italian pizza. Interesting. Such a pleasant weather today. It's not hot. It's just warm. And the wind is pretty nice. So can we call this street bread street, bakery street? I don't know. Let me know your suggestions. How would you call such street with a lot of bakeries producing round-shaped bread? And here I see the sign in Russian, red sign. It's called cosmetologist. They make different beauty procedures for women. Even here. Wow. Of course, women want to look pretty nice everywhere. Here they sell a lot of fruits and vegetables. And again, bakeries. Wow, there are so many of them. and different varieties. Such a beautiful smell. Freshly made bread. And again oil. Here is the telegraph, it says, so it's like a post office or something, but it looks very Soviet, from that era probably. So I waited for my group to catch up. And look at this arch out of flowers. Is it some wedding venue? I assume it is. Yeah, there are signs about weddings, wedding dresses, wedding center. Nice. So locals come here to make their weddings, to buy dresses. Here are the signs on the street about wedding dresses. It's actually pretty nice, pretty interesting that such place which looks kinda like a village has everything in it. Even rooster. Look at this. I like this pattern. Wow, such beautiful colors. Flowers everywhere. Markets everywhere. Kids. Oh wow. So we turned inside of more away from the road, and here is, look at this tree. Such a nice nature here. Wow, such a good smell. Amazing, wow. Let me know in the comments, do your trees blooming right now in your city, or is it still winter? Or maybe you live in Australia, which is already past summer, so it's already close to winter. Wow, again this purple, such amazing color, such amazing smell. Wow, like a perfume, like something incredible. So we're going farther from the main road, so it's mostly the houses of locals. There are no shops, as I can see, and this street reminded me of Japan. Like I am in a village of Japan. And again, this tree is blooming. Such a beautiful sight. Bright flowers against blue, deep blue sky. Wow. It is such a nice, beautiful walk, and I'm glad I'm filming this. Nature is amazing. And I'm glad I walked with this group. They are not selling anything, they're just exploring like me. So they don't know where to go, but we are going in a group. And look at these bright flowers against green leaves. Wow. Amazing, isn't it? Looks like countryside. Wow. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you walk with me, and I hope you like it as much as I like. See you in another video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.